Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon, dear students. So, in the previous lecture, we completed the explanation part of the chapter, that is the drama, the rising of the moon. So, now here we will be completing the brainstorming activities of the drama. So, here are some of the questions that we will see. So, the very first one is there are some dialogues which are short but quite effective. They give us enjoyment and add beauty to the main story. Find some more from the text. Now, usually when we talks about drama, so obviously there will be dialogue forms, right? So now in that some of the dialogues will be very effective at the same time. So that's what it is asking about, that in the drama that there are some of the very quite effective dialogues are there, which through which we enjoy the drama, right? And so like that only we have to search for some of the examples. So here are some of the examples are already given, like effective dialogues. It's a pity we can't stop you. Back to the town, is it? You would be as wise as myself. So these are the three examples of the effective dialogues. So now like that we will search some other ones. So here it is. I would know him a mile off. What's that to you? What sort is he? Come back. Is it Sergeant? Do you say so? Take a draw yourself. It will quiet you. Never fear, I won't. It's no business of yours. It's a pity. I'm obliged to you. So these are some of the examples from the drama which is quite effective. Now, comment on the given statement after reading the given dialogue. And if we get him itself, nothing but abuse on our heads for it from the people and maybe from our own relations. You may begin like this. We do not think about society at large. Basically, you have to give your statement after reading this dialogue. Okay, so how we can start the answer? We do not think about society at large. Now, so the answer is, while performing our duties, even if no appreciation comes our way, we must continue to fulfill our duties and not be affected by the criticism of society. Now the another one, it's a pity some honest men not to be better of that. So the answer is, it's a pity some of honest men not to be better of that. It is sad for an honest man not to be making enough money to be tempted by a reward of £100. Now the another one, I would not be in your shoes if he rewards men 10 times as much. People generally fall victim to incentives. Some people stick to values. So now here is the answer. They are unaffected by temptation and no amount of bribe can make them do something they don't want to do. Now the another one, but when I saw a man in trouble, I could never help trying to set him out of it. Now how we can start the answer? It's human to help others. Here the statement tells us that when we come across a person who is in trouble, we must not look away and instead do our best to help him out of the situation. Now the another one, the priorities of the surgeon are shifted. Complete the given table by using the given clues. Now, as we saw the whole drama from the beginning, then the middle and then the end, the story or the priorities basically of the surgeon was changing. Right, so now here are some of the options are given, the points are given, priorities of the surgeon and priorities at the end of the play. So in the beginning it was patriotism, right, then law and duty, and then after that, so the answer here, law and duty and patriotism is already given, right. Then second is money. Okay, so that is reward basically. So island's freedom. Now we'll have to see, in the beginning it was it was the money for him, right, but at the end it changed and it became island's freedom. Then the third point is promotion. In the beginning basically the priorities of surgeon was promotion, but later at the end of the play it became helping a rebel leader. Now Find sentences from the play related to the given points. Loyalty in Irish nationalism. So maybe Sergeant, you will be on the side of the country yet. So now we have to talk about the the loyalty in the Irish nationalism basically. So maybe Sergeant, you will be on the sides of the country yet. So the answer is, if the other boys had told you they had some plan to free the country, you might have joined with them. I am a friend of Grenelle. You won't betray me, the friend of Grenelle. Now, find sentences from the play related to the given points. The tension between different loyalties. So we have to find the related points basically. Okay. So the tension between different loyalties. The one is already given. It's little we get but abuse from the people and no choice but to obey our orders. Now the other points are given here. But to think of a man like you knowing a song like that. One of the boys you used to be singing with that time, you will be arresting today or tomorrow. Sergeant, I am thinking it was with the people you were, and not with the law you were, when you were a young man. Maybe, Sergeant, it comes into your head sometimes, in spite of your belt and your tunic, that it might have been as well for you to have followed Grenelle. Now the another one is what we have to the description of the character is given below. Identify the character from the play. Find some sentences which support your choice. So basically there are some of the character, the description of the character is given. So we have to identify the character and we have to find the sentences or the examples from the text to support the answer. He is brave but irresponsible person. So this character is Sergeant. Okay. He is brave. I don't want. Now we have to give the example of a sentences which proves proves our answer and which proves the statement basically. So he is brave. So how can we prove it? That I don't want it, bring it with you. That shows that he was brave. He's an irresponsible sergeant. After a pause, no one. Basically, when they the policeman asked that did anyone come here or came across. So what he said, no. So that's what it is. Now the another description of a character is he's a major character. He dominates in the story. So the character is the sergeant. He is a major character basically. Sergeant, who is older than the others, crosses the stage to right and looks down steps. He dominates the story. So how we can prove it? Well, hurry on. You have plenty of other places to placard yet. And come back here then to me. You can take the lantern. Don't be too long now. Come back from those steps. No one has left to pass down past them tonight. Stop that noise. It's no business of yours what I think. If you don't stop that, I'll arrest you. Bring it with you, I tell you, no more talk. Be off, the two of you, yourselves and your lantern. So these were basically the proofs that he was that he is a major character and he dominates the story. Now the another description is given. He is smart as well as brave. So the character is the ballad singer, that is prisoner or the stranger man. Okay, so the first statement is he is smart. So how can we prove it? By giving the examples of the drama. And maybe the man you are watching for tonight used to be sitting on the wall when he was young and singing those same songs. It's a queer world. It's a pity. It's a pity. You deceived me. You deceived me well. Now he is brave. So how can we prove it? There are some of the examples. There isn't another man in Ireland who would have broken jail the way he did. I am. There are 100 pounds on my head. Will you let me pass or must I make you let me? Now the another one. He is the center of the play. So the answer will be the character is the ballad singer, that is the prisoner or the man. And then he is the center of the play. Man, you need not ask who I am. That placard will tell you. So what the surgeon said, you are the man I am looking for. And now the another one is he is obedient and simple. So the character is policeman B. He is obedient. So we have to prove it first by our examples. Policeman B, would that barrel be a good place to put a notice up? So what surgeon said, it might, you can put it there. They pasted the notice up. Surgeon furious. Be off the two of you, your cells and your lantern. They go out. And now the another statement is he is simple. So we have to prove it by the examples of the dialogues and the sentences basically. So policeman B, did anyone come this way? Surgeon, after a pause, no one. Policeman B, no one at all. Surgeon, no one at all. Policeman B, we had no orders to go back to the station. We can stop.